Hi guys, my name is Jared. We're here at J-Tech today, and today I'm going to teach you about a crank no start. Okay guys, today we're going to be going over crank no start, and first let me explain to you what a crank no start is. It's whenever all the engine doing is cranking over, so the starter is just spinning. It could be a couple reasons for that. It would be the spark plugs, spark plug wires, the fuel pump. Could have something to do with a relay that's not going off or switching on like it's supposed to. Could have something to do with your ignition, your battery. It just all depends. And so today we're gonna show you how we diagnose this, but we already think we know the problem, but we'll wait till later. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you that it's actually a crank no start, so we're gonna get in here. It's cranking over, but you don't hear it starting or anything. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do something called a directional test, and we're gonna listen for the fuel pump. We're gonna turn it on, do it again, make sure that the fuel pump is actually underneath the back seat. And I didn't hear the fuel pump, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go check underneath the fuse panel or the fuse relay and see if that's even working. Okay guys, since we showed you that it was a crank no start, and I told you we were gonna go check the relay for the fuel pump, so we looked at the diagrams, and then it comes to find out that the actual fuel pump relay is missing. So I took my time, went to go find a relay that exactly matches. Now we're gonna see if this is the problem. So we're gonna stick it in here real quick. It's in there, and then now we're gonna go see if it starts up and see if that was actually our problem. It started up, so that is the reason that it is not cranking or not turning over to start up. But yeah, and that's how you diagnose a crank no start.